If your home screen became cluttered and your icons are out of place, here is a simple way how to restore it to its default layout. So first of all, open up your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll down until we'll find our apps section. Here it is. Now in our apps section, we have to find our One UI Home. So you may use your search bar or you may find it manually. I'll use a search bar. So let's find it. One UI. And let's see all the variants. Here is our One UI Home. Choose this option. Great. So here we gotta find our storage usage, and now we gotta simply press clear data right here at the bottom next to your clear cache option. Press clear data, confirm your choice by pressing OK, and now if we're gonna go back to our home screen, as you see, our home screen is pretty and fixed, and basically it was set to the default arrangement. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.